Hi Aparna,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How about you?
I'm good. So this is Savitri from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take a feedback video from your side. So first of all, congratulations for your placement, Aparna.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can you introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Myself, Aparna. I'm from Pulvendra. Recently, my graduation completed in Civil Engineering, Annamachary Institute of Technology and Science in Tirupati, ma'am.
Okay. Have you got to know about CMTI?
It refers to my friend, ma'am.
Okay. In CMTI, which course you have taken?
Advanced Construction Management plus BIM, ma'am.
Okay. What you learn in that course?
I have learned from basics like unit conversion, sequence of drawings, and BOQ, BBS, quantity takeoff, etc. And regarding interior also, ma'am.
Okay. What are the softwares you have learned?
SketchUp, Revit, AutoCAD in this, ma'am.
Okay. Have you visited so various site and showroom visit, right?
Yes, ma'am. I visited so many like RMC plant, build high homes in interiors, such as interiors, Srishti interiors, Fenesta malls. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. So what you have learned in site and showroom visit?
So many like how to plan and how to elevation in constructions, ma'am.
So for which role you have selected?
GET, ma'am.
Okay. How many rounds are there?
5 rounds, ma'am.
What were the rounds?
And first round is technical, and second round is logical, and third round group discussion. Fourth round is HR round, and fifth round is director's round.
You have used our CMT app, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the benefit and how it was helpful to crack the interview?
ఫ్రెషర్స్కి వచ్చేసి ఇది ఒక మంచి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మ్యామ్. ఇది మా ఫ్రెండ్ రెఫర్ చేయడం వల్ల నేను సిఎంటిఐకి వచ్చాను. ఇక్కడ రావడం వల్ల నాకు ప్లేస్మెంట్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ ఐ సజెస్ట్ టు మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ దిస్ ఇస్ బెస్ట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఫర్ మీ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫ్రెషర్స్.
So how was the staff and trainer support towards you to crack the interview?
Very supportable, ma'am, in staff and Natrajan sir and Tamil Mani sir and Virupaksha sir. So trained me how to crack the interview.
How was the coordinator support towards you?
It's good coordinators, ma'am, and Savitri ma'am and Deepa ma'am. It's good for me. అంటే అందరితో బాగా ఉంటారు ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కన్నా అటెండ్ చేయడానికి.
Okay, finally, what do you want to tell about your friends and juniors who wanna go to join the CMTI?
This is good platform for freshers, ma'am, and easy to placement in CMTI. I refers to my friends and juniors also.
Okay, finally, thank you for your feedback, Aparna. So congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.